From Nevada Public Radio, this is the Daily Rundown. I'm Natalie Ott. It's January 13th, 2026, and it's Public Radio Broadcasting Day. From all of us here at Nevada Public Radio, thanks for listening. The Nevada Department of Health and Human Services says current child vaccine requirements will remain in place despite recent changes from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. According to KOLO TV in Reno, the CDC last week reduced the number of vaccines it recommends for all children. The agency will no longer routinely recommend the hepatitis A and hepatitis B vaccines and will recommend the meningococcal vaccine only for children considered high risk. The Nevada State Board of Health currently requires all three vaccines for children attending school. State officials say those requirements will remain unchanged and that any revisions would require legislative action. Hear the full story regarding the CDC's updated vaccination guidelines here on knpr.org. Law enforcement agencies across Nevada are teaming up to address the leading cause of fatal crashes in the state: speeding. The Joining Forces Speed Awareness campaign begins today and will continue through the end of the month. The statewide initiative is aimed at reducing dangerous driving behavior and improving road safety. The U.S. Postal Service is warning voters not to rely on postmarks to determine when mail is first collected. KUNR's Lucia Starbuck reports that because of efforts to improve efficiency and reduce costs, mail is now more likely to be postmarked once it reaches a processing facility, often about a day after pickup. That change has implications for mail ballots, particularly for rural voters. Nevada is one of 14 states that allow mail ballots to be counted after Election Day, as long as they are postmarked by Election Day. Secretary of State Cisco Aguilar says his office is exploring alternative ways to determine when a ballot is mailed. In an email to KUNR, a Postal Service spokesperson said postmarks were never intended to reflect the time of collection. Voters can request a hand-stamped postmark at a post office, and the agency recommends mailing ballots at least 7 days in advance. UNLV women's basketball player Meadow Roland has been named the Mountain West Player of the Week for the third time this season. The league announced the honor yesterday after Roland helped lead the Lady Rebels to a 2-0 week in conference play. She averaged 18 points and 13 rebounds in wins over Utah State and Wyoming. Teammate Shelby Brown won the award the previous 2 weeks. UNLV remains undefeated in conference play at 6-0 and is 11-5 overall. The Lady Rebels travel to San Jose State on Wednesday before hosting San Diego State on Saturday. Go Lady Rebels! The 2026 Tiny Desk Contest is officially open for entries. Unsigned artists can submit performances through the contest website now through February 9th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. The winner will perform a Tiny Desk concert at NPR headquarters in Washington, D.C., receive mentorship from a music industry professional, and headline a 10-city tour. The judges are looking for a new artist who's ready to take it to the next level, to show us something we've never seen before, whether that's a new sound or a singular perspective. Past Tiny Desk concert winners have gone on to win Grammy Awards, write for Broadway, headline festivals, and more. But each year, there are so many talented artists who don't win and still find what they're looking for in the contest: a creative challenge, a platform, or even just a supportive community of independent artists. For more information on the contest, visit knpr.org. This has been the Daily Rundown, a production of Nevada Public Radio. To hear more or to support public radio in Southern Nevada, visit knpr.org.